Hello and welcome to our English Unlocked channel. English grammar exercise. Each sentence has a blank space, and you will find 3 options for the possible answer. Choose the correct option to fill in the blank. Before we begin, take a pen and paper so you can do that. Color the notes while listening, then leave the answer in the comments. Are you ready? Let's get started.
The cat. On the windowsill.
Lies.
She enjoys reading books, but her brother prefers to watch
TV.
I have interesting to tell you.
Something.
I'm going to the store. Do you need from there?
Anything.
Sarah is. Then her brother.
Taller.
The concert. At 8 p.m.
Starts.
Can you please pass me salt?
The.
By the time I get there, they already the cake.
Have. Eaten.
My best friend in New York.
Lives.
I enjoy science fiction novels.
Reading.
She playing the piano when I arrived.
Was.
The car by John last night.
Was driven.
I don't have money in my wallet.
Any.
The teacher told us our homework.
Finish.
His keys at home this morning.
Left.
I am to the gym after work.
Going.
We to the zoo last weekend.
Went.
If I the answer, I would tell you.
New.
She has been studying English 5 years.
4.
He likes both coffee and tea, but he drinks tea in the morning.
Always. And don't forget to share your score in the comments section.